Hello and welcome everyone in the Agile Project Management with Scrum Fast Track course. My name is Bernard. This course will not replace the proper course. You need to do a lot of exercises in order to get it right, but this course can be good for giving you an overview about the Scrum process and what it is, what kind of roles are there, and how it usually looks like. Waterfall model, the usual model which people try to use in software development, has been published first in 1970 by Winston Royce. And Royce said actually this model doesn't work well in software development at all and shouldn't be used. And just after that, a lot of companies start using it. Waterfall is something you usually use when you create a building. We want to design a bridge and create it as well. It's not something which has particular application in software development. In Waterfall, you create a prototypes. You hardly ever create prototypes in software development industry. Waterfall model problems. You have changing requirements in software. Usually don't have them, or at least not so many in construction industry. In Waterfall model, people can blame each other because they have a clear delineated responsibilities, and they say it's not my job, I done my job correctly, it was designer's job, and people don't take the responsibility for the overall process. Developers may not understand the business requirements, which produces software which actually doesn't do what is needed. You have very long feedback from the moment you created the requirements. You see actually how they work and pass quite a few months or even years. And you have a hit by a spaceship effect when one person, for example, an analyst, leaves the company, all the knowledge is lost. If you want to build a building in an agile way, you would have to build a small part of the building, move in, make it fully functional, and then move another part. Agile methodologies and frameworks, there are many of them. The most extreme is extreme programming, when you don't create the documentation, just try to make the code working as soon as possible. Scrum is more structured, less radical, and obviously we've got a more formalized methodology like a rational unified process, currently used mostly by IBM.